अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, आज की क्लास में हम पढ़ेंगे इस्लामियात, और इस्लामियात में आज हम याद करेंगे कलमाते खैर। तो पहले ताव्वुज़ व तस्निया पढ़ते हैं। पढ़िए ताव्वुज़। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम। तस्मिया बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सफ़हा नंबर 35 और 36। हिस्सा हफ्तुम कलमाते खैर। खुशगवार मंज़र देखने पर कहें फ़तबारकल्लाह, तो अल्लाह बहुत बरकत वाला है। दुआ में शमूलियत पर कहें आमीन, ए अल्लाह तू कबूल कर। दोबारा दोहराते हैं। खुशगवार मंज़र देखने पर कहें फ़तबारकल्लाह, तो अल्लाह बहुत बरकत वाला है। दुआ में शमूलियत पर कहें आमीन, ए अल्लाह तू कबूल कर। ठीक है बच्चों, अब आप इसे याद कीजिए, दोहराइए। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Today I am going to explain you a new topic, that is picture comprehension. Now see, here is a picture of a pub. Now first let me explain you what is picture comprehension. Now come on, read the definition with me. To see the picture, read the passage and then answer the question is called picture comprehension. Read again. To see the picture, read the passage and then answer the question is called picture comprehension. Now read the caption with me. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Now what you have to do children, here is a picture of pub and this passage I have taken from ORC page number 21. Now what you have to do, the questions are here and you have to just read the passage and extract the answer from this passage. Now read question number 1. Who is Pup? Now this is Pup. Pup is a dog. Here is the answer. Just take it from here and write it here. Who is Pup? Pup is a dog. Now question number 2. Where is Pup? See, where is Pup? It's written Pup is on the mat. See, Pup is on the mat. So I am repeating, picture comprehension is very easy. What you have to do, you have to see the picture, read the passage and then extract the answer from the given passage. This is picture comprehension. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you. How are you all? Now today let's do some weather here on page number 66 from More for Us. This is page number 66, weather word and picture matching. Now draw a line from each weather related word to the matching picture. Here is the picture of weather. What you have to do, you have to see the word here and join with the correct weather. Right? Now what is this? Rain. Now where is rainy season? R-A-I-N, rain. Here you have to match it with this picture. Sunny, sun. Now here is sun, you have to join this picture with the sun. Windy, wind. Here is a wind, you have to join with this picture. And the last one is snow. In this way you have to match the word with the correct weather picture. I hope everyone has understood this page. Thank you. Now this is page number 67 related with the same topic, that is weather words. There you have done matching and here you have to complete the missing letters of weather words. Look at each weather related picture and fill in the missing letters for each weather related word. Now you have done this picture on page number 66, wind. So which missing letter you will write here? I. Rain. Here also you have to write I to complete this weather word. R-A-I and rain. You are all familiar with this picture. This is sun, and you have to write here S-U-N, sun. Here S-N is written. You have to write O-W to complete this weather word, that is a snow. Okay. I hope everyone can do this page easily now. I have explained you just now. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now let's do some more shapes today. Now here is your mathematics notebook. Now write date, day and HW here in the center. Now read the caption. Write the name of the given shape. Now here is a new shape, and we have done so many shapes like circle, square, rectangle, triangle, cube, and this shape is called sphere. This shape is just like a ball. Now just hold it. It's just like a ball. This is called sphere. Which shape is this? Sphere. Which shape is this? Sphere. Now what you have to do, you have to write the spelling of sphere with me and learn it also. Now under my S, write down S. Under my P, write down P and read also S, P, H. Under my H, write H. Under my E, write E. Under my R, write R. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Okay? Are you all writing? Again. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Which shape is this? Sphere. Learn and write. Okay? And do till the last dot. I hope everyone can do this page and listen. After doing the after writing the spelling, do color all these pictures. Okay? Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम बच्चों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी मोर फॉर अस की किताब है, इसका सफ़ा नंबर है 27। सफ़ा नंबर 27। सबसे पहले आपने यहाँ तारीख लिखनी है और यहाँ पे आपने दिन लिखना है। हमें यहाँ दी गई है गिनती की मश्क करें। हमें यहाँ क्या करना है? गिनती की मश्क। तो आपको यहाँ तस्वीरें दी गई हैं, पहले हम इन तस्वीरों को गिनते हैं। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। कितने हैं? 9। तो अब पहले मैं यहाँ लिखूँगी हिंसे में 9, फिर यहाँ लिखूँगी हुरूफ में नून वाव 9। एक लाइन छोड़ के फिर मैंने यहाँ लिखा नून की आधी शक्ल और वाव। फिर मैंने एक लाइन छोड़ दी ये वाली, फिर मैंने नून वाव 9। अब आपको यहाँ दिया गया है, इन तस्वीरों को गिनते हैं। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। पहले मैं यहाँ हिंसे में 10 लिखूँगी। दाल सीन 10। फिर मैंने यहाँ हिंसे में 10 लिखा। दाल सीन 10। दाल सीन 10। आपने क्या करना है? आपने इसी तरह से इस पूरे सफ़े को मुकम्मल करना है, एक लाइन छोड़ के, और इन तस्वीर में रंग भी भरनी है। शुक्रिया।